How to use your Pluxee card. All new Pluxee cards are in an inactive mode for security reasons. The card must be activated before usage. You would have received a welcome email from do not reply at notifications.pluxee.in or a welcome kit. Keep it handy and follow the below given steps to activate your card online. So visit the card activation portal, enter your official registered email address or mobile phone, enter the unique 12-digit card reference number, enter the CAPTCHA image, click on the get activation code, and you will get the option of minimum KYC or full KYC. If only minimum KYC is done, then you cannot have a balance of greater than 10,000 rupiah across all your Pluxee cards and wallets. Monthly credits to your card will not be received if your overall balance is exceeding 10,000. If full KYC is done, you can have a maximum balance of 2 million across all Pluxee cards and wallets. So, to activate your card with minimum KYC, you need to select the option minimum KYC. Select a document type such as driving license, PAN, voter ID, or password. Enter the document number to complete the minimum KYC. Enter the activation code sent to your registered email ID or mobile number, then click on send OTP and you will receive an OTP on the registered mobile number. Accept terms and conditions, enter the OTP, and click on validate. You will see success message on your screen and will receive an email and SMS confirmation. Now, to activate your card with full KYC, you need to select the option full KYC, enter the activation code sent on your registered email ID or mobile number, then click on send OTP and you will receive an OTP on the registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on validate, accept terms and conditions, and click on activate card. On the next screen, enter your correct and valid PAN card number and DOB and click on submit. On the next screen, click on the hyperlink, click to go to UIDAI for downloading the Adhor XML zip file. Click on offline Adhor in the pop-up screen and you will be redirected to the Adhor portal. Now from here, click on login, enter the Adhor number, enter CAPTCHA, click on send OTP, enter OTP, click on login, and once logged in, click on offline eKYC. Create a 4-digit share code and click on download. And once the zip folder is downloaded, go back to the Pluxee portal, click on upload Adhor XML zip file, choose file to upload the zip file, enter passphrase or share code created on Adhor portal, click on submit, and once the zip folder is submitted, you will see your image, name, and date of birth. If your name on Adhor does not match with your name in Pluxee's system, then you will have to select one of the following documents from the document type drop-down menu. Click on OK and you will get a pop-up message confirming that your KYC request has been taken and will be reviewed by Pluxee team within 7 working days. And that is how to use your Pluxee card.